You don't have to pay hundreds or even thousands of dollars to build your own website. Hi guys, this is Yasser Salim, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can build a professional stunning website with no coding, just drag and drop. So after this video you will be able to make websites like this with just drag and drop, zero coding, and in only few minutes. So let's jump in and get started. In order to do that, just click the link below the video and it will take you to this page. Just scroll down and click here, get your domain and hosting. This will send you to SiteGround. This is where we are going to register our hosting plan and domain name. So we are going to select WordPress hosting and click get started. But before we select our plan, let me tell you why we selected SiteGround to be our hosting provider. If you go to WordPress website, you will find that WordPress themselves are recommending SiteGround as one of the top hosting provider for the WordPress. The second reason is that SiteGround has the most friendly control panel for web hosting company that I have ever seen. With one click you will be able to install the WordPress and easily control all the aspects of your websites and your hosting plan. SiteGround also provide an SSD storage for all the plan, and that will make your website load really fast. In my opinion, SiteGround is the best web hosting provider for WordPress, and I'm not the only one with that opinion. In a Facebook web hosting group with more than 5,000 members, SiteGround is mentioned the best web hosting provider for WordPress. I definitely agree with them. So now let's check the hosting plans provided by SiteGround. We'll have here three hosting plans: the startup and the grow big and the go geek. If you don't have any plans to publish more than one website in the meantime, so the startup plan will be very good for you. Now let's get our domain name and hosting plan. Let's go ahead and get this plan. To do this, we'll click here at get plan. Now it's time to pick your domain name. So the first step we are going to do right now is we are going to register a domain name for our website. So let's try here to type, for example, Facebook. So if we click proceed, we will find here an error message that absolutely this domain is not available as it's already owned and used by Facebook. So you have to pick up a domain that is already available, and that means that it is not already registered by anyone else. So for the sake of this training, I'm gonna register this domain name. So let's click proceed and see. Great, this domain is available. Now all you have to do is to fill out this information and then fill out the payment information as well and click the pay now button. You don't have to use any of these add-ons. However, if I'm going to recommend one of these add-ons, I will recommend the domain privacy only, so you can avoid salespeople to find your phone number registered here with your domain and start making some kind of noisy sales calls. So if you wish, you can select this add-on, the domain privacy, and click confirm here, and then click the pay now button. Now I'll be filling the payment information and click the pay now button. So now I have just filled my payment information, and let's review our order. So now we are registering the startup plan for 12 months, and that will cost us $3.95 per month, which is a very competitive price. And that's one of the benefits also with SiteGround. So now let's go ahead and click the pay now button. And here we go. We just have registered our domain name and our hosting plan. So let's go ahead and build our amazing website. So I will click here to proceed with the customer area. And here we go. This is the control panel provided by SiteGround, and as I mentioned, it is one of the most friendly, if it is not the most friendly, web hosting control panel ever made. So let's go ahead and build our website to see how simple it is. So all I will have to do is just to click at setup site. Now I will click start a new website and then select the WordPress and then type in my email address and then set a password for my website control panel. Then click continue. Well, I don't need any of these, so I will click finish. Now it's building my website, so let's wait and see. Alright, we are done. Now our website is live. So if I go now to fortrainingpurpose2.com, this is the domain name we just registered, and check this out, I will find here the default version of my website. We will of course change this completely. Let's do that. So in order to build our website, we will go to the WordPress admin panel. The easiest way to go to the WordPress admin panel is to go to websites here, and then click the WordPress tool, and at the WordPress admin click go. Now all I have to do is enter my email and password. And here we go. Now SiteGround is offering some help, but actually we don't need any help. So just click at the exit. And here we go. This is our website control panel. From this panel we will be able to create and customize our amazing websites with just a few simple steps, with no coding, just a drag and drop, and we are going to build an amazing website in a few minutes. So let's jump in and go ahead and do this. So the first thing we are going to do is to install a theme for our website. The theme is the thing that defines how our website will look like. So let's do this. Hover over Appearance, click Themes, click Add New, and in the search bar type Astra. This is the theme that we are going to install. So click Install, then Activate. Now we'll go to Plugins, click Add New, and type in Astra and install this plugin. Click Install and Activate. Now we are going to select our page builder. This is the tool we are going to use to customize the pages of our website without having to enter any kind of codes. And one of the best page builder for WordPress is the Elementor, and this is the one that we are going to use in this tutorial. So select Elementor and click Next. Now the Astra plugin has been installed. This plugin has a set of designs for your websites. These are the designs. As you can see, a lot of designs, and all are mobile friendly and absolutely very modern. So now you can choose any of these designs to be applied immediately for your website. Any design that does not have the agency badge on it, that means that it's 100% for free, like this one. So for this tutorial I will pick this one. So to apply this design I will click at Preview and then Import Site. And now we are done. So now let's visit our website and see how it looks right now. Here we go. Here is a beautiful design that we have just imported. Now of course you would like to edit this design and customize it to be exactly like what you want and add your own content. To do this, just click at Edit with Elementor. The Elementor is the page builder that we just talked about. So now if you would like to edit any area of your website, all you need is to click on it and you can just change it from here. So for example, I will change this text. And here is this button as well. Just click on it and you can make any edits you want. And here you can type a link for this button, or probably connected with a opt-in form. So now we know how we can import a template and make some basic edits to it. And if I would like to change the image that you can see right here, I will just click at this part over here, this section, then click on Style, and here is the image. You can change it with any image from your computer. You can also add a video background for your website. Let's try to do this. Here in YouTube, I will try to embed this video to be as my background for my website. So let's do this. I will just copy the link over here, go back to my Elementor, and then select the background video and just add the video link right here. And here we go. We have the video working as a background for my website. So let's click on Update, and here we go. Here is the video working now as a background for my website. Very cool, isn't it? So now you know how to edit any section of your website. The same thing can be applied at any of your website pages. For example, if you would like to change this page or customize it, just click on it and click edit with Elementor. So now you know how you can customize all the pages of your website. So now let's see how you can customize your header and footer. To do this, I will go back to the dashboard, hover over here and visit site, and click the customize button right here. Here you can find this blue pencil button. Any part you would like to edit from your header, all you need to do is just to click at this button. For example, if I clicked here, I'll be able to change the logo icon you can find right here. And if I click right here, I will be able to change the main menu. Now you know how you can launch your website, and now you are able to build any kind of website. So if you like this tutorial, please don't forget to like and share this video, and please consider subscribing to my channel so you can get notified when we publish new tutorial. Thank you and have a nice day.